Greetings fellow entrepreneurs. During such a short history of my channel, I already have several videos related to the Flippa.com website selling service, but this is part of my ecosystem of searching for new ideas or solutions in the e-commerce industry. Is it the only one? No, if there is a request from you, then there will definitely be a video by analogs. But at the moment Flippa.com is already a part of this channel. So in all videos, one way or another, there is an opportunity to buy a report from Semrush. What this report looks like, and what information you can glean from it, you will see in today's video. For a long time, I could not decide which report buying for viewing. The day has finally arrived. And I am glad that I can share my discovery with you. On the one hand, I really wanted to see the report on aobweb.com, the site of which resembles a system business, but I am not ready to consider it for a purchase, because of the price. On the other hand, the site ytseotoolstation.com is very simple, most of the presented tools of which do not work, but the technology of these tools is interesting, and, in general, a suitable price. But today is not about the sites. About Semrush's report, which offers to buy Flippa.com for a more detailed acquaintance with the characteristics of the site. As you can see, the authority score is even higher than that of aobweb.com. This is what Flippa's Semrush report looks like for every site it sells. Whether the report is good is up to you. He showed, no more, no less, that came to my mail. Did I get the information I needed from the report on the site I was thinking of buying? Absolutely yes. First of all, I didn't like the ratio of search traffic to direct traffic. In my opinion, even a stable brand should have at least 40% of search traffic. Secondly, I didn't like the top site visitors. Yes, I see that the owner of the site is from Pakistan, and I may not know some regional peculiarities, but this region is of little interest and understanding to me. And if, do not take into account that the owner of the site is from Pakistan, then, recalls, that the site is simply buying cheap traffic in an attempt to earn Google AdSense. About 10 years ago I did that too. I managed to earn $300 for $100, I have to try again somehow. From you like, comment and subscription, and we will definitely try to repeat it. The third factor is keywords that do not belong to the domain, which carry additional confirmation of my words. Of course, a YouTube channel with 888 subscribers, which comes in the bargain, can be a good asset, at least a blogger with a 5-person channel says. But, no, I have my own way. But to fix this oversight in your hands. Before filming the video, I thought to place a bet and take part up to $800, now I have absolutely no desire for that. You saw what is in the Semrush report. A link to the website selling service, as well as a link to the Semrush tool in the description. Let me remind you that with the help of the Semrush service you can receive such information on any site.